Hello all, we'll see how to convert infix expression to postfix expression through a simple example and graphically. So here is our infix expression having opening bracket a plus b minus c closing bracket multiplication d minus opening bracket e plus f closing bracket. So our expression already has the opening bracket also and closing bracket also, so no need to add any extra bracket to it. We'll see how to convert this infix expression to postfix expression. Now here you can see first opening bracket is coming. Character by character we will scan our infix expression. Opening bracket is coming. Simply push it on the stack as per our algorithm which we have seen in the last video. So push the opening bracket on the stack. After that operand A is coming. So display that operand in the postfix expression. Plus sign is coming. Compare it with the stack top which contains only the opening bracket. So push plus sign on the stack. Then operand B is coming. Display it in the postfix expression. Minus sign is coming. Now minus sign is having equal precedence as that of the plus sign which is on the stack top. So you need to pop the stack top and push the incoming operator on the stack. So minus sign will be pushed on the stack and plus sign popped on the postfix expression. Then C comes. C will go as it is to the postfix expression. Closing bracket coming. So closing bracket when it comes, you need to pop the contents of the stack till you encounter with opening bracket. Now in our case only minus sign is there on the stack till the opening bracket encounters. Ignore the opening bracket, ignore the closing bracket. Don't display them on the postfix expression. So here the minus sign will be popped. Then multiplication is coming. Multiplication will go directly on the stack. D is coming to the postfix expression. Then minus sign is coming. Then you will check again the precedence of minus sign with the precedence of the stack top which is multiplication. So minus sign is having lower precedence as that of the stack top. So you need to pop the stack top and push O, that is minus sign, on the stack. Then opening bracket is coming, push it on the stack. E is operand, so display it in postfix expression. Plus sign is coming, so push it on the stack as stack top is opening bracket, so you can't do anything. F is your operand, so push it on the postfix expression, display it in the postfix expression. So F is displayed. Closing bracket is coming. As you know, when closing bracket is coming, need to pop the stack contents. So plus sign will be popped, opening bracket is ignored, then expression ends here. So you need to pop the all contents of the stack on the postfix expression. In our case only minus sign is there, so minus sign is popped on the or displayed on the postfix expression. So here is our postfix expression for the infix expression conversion. So this is how you converted your infix expression to the postfix expression. I hope you have understood and you can solve your own examples now. Thank you very much.